more tighter.
Hey guys.
It's under my armpit.
Yeah. We taped it.
Look.
We taped that phone under his armpits. Yeah, look.
We nearly won out.
That. Look how big the scissors is.
I
You think these are small? No, they're like so big, man. Look. It goes across the screen.
Try to bend. Well.
Just.
And
I know one shout out Ben Emoji Pro. Subscribe to him.
And it just don't
Like to him. Do everything to him.
I
don't mean rape him. I don't mean look at his penis.
Okay, though. This is my turn. You can't do how lady look.
Look at it. No, it's coming out.
Okay.
You probably have to stay over here now.
I look like her boobies.
You just take them to look like you're skinny.
And
Okay, guys, starting in 3.
oh yeah, look what we watched. You can't do it.
1, go.
I don't want to do it. No. Ready to die yet? You're too dead. Look how dead in it. I bet you can't do. You can't even. My door. Where's the bullet?
Can they see your gun?
Yeah, I don't know where the bullet gone. Oops.
You can't. You just have to stay in your base.
No, I don't know where your other bullet. What you just dead?
You can't come out your base. Let them see you going like that.
You can't do you.
Then put it lower then.
You can't do you. To the massive table. You can't do you.
Oh, shoot. Okay, guys, we're doing 2-bullet challenge.
I don't know where the other one's gone. It went on sofa. Oh, it's all in there. Let me take the bullet. I don't want tighter. I'm like Mega Man. Wait for me. Dude, I thought we would take for a long time. I'm reloading. Okay.
Why'd you shoot it?
From couch.
You've got a couch.
Ah!
You have a quicker reload, that's the thing.
It can't even work later.
Let them see your gun.
This is my gun, okay? I can't tell you it. But I do. I can't aim for you.
You don't have to aim, use the laser, remember?
I can't. Look. I can't do you with it.
Turn for the lights. Guys, turn for the lights.
Can you do?
Yeah, you can see it. But I can't see that properly. Okay,
Oh yeah, this is my dialect book.
2, 1.
Don't let them do that far. Hit you. I aim for your leg. Maybe more harder.
You hit my eye.
What? They're in the kitchen though. Died, you only...
Go in the kitchen. When he comes in.
Okay, Di, we don't stop it for a minute, okay? Sorry up there.
Sorry, I have to go upstairs, but it went on for ages, so first
We
one.
don't do this for a long time, my testing.
First 1, 2, what?
I mean,
First one to kill each other. Okay, 3.
and we have fitting to up on it. Oh, mine.
You have to make them let you see.
Hit me.
Huh?
Hit me.
That's all quick. Okay, guys, we're doing 2.
Wow.
Okay, yeah.
No.
Okay, guys, we have 1.
My
do
freaking
one more
test.
round.
One more, turn my test.
3,
I don't buy that long.
1, go.
You did not light up there.
I'm not. Did I get you?
No. But I can't really aim.
I've got to get my ammo, my other ammo.
Hold up. Do you have ammo?
No, I forgot to just pick up my other ammo.
Oh my god.
Good guys.
Ah!
You had to come in the room.
No, what did I do? Come on. What did I do?
Trying to get a clear shot.
No! No!
Guys, I won.
No, you're not.
You got it.
I'm born in hell, stupid! That you will pay for it!
You can't see it.
I'm sorry.
Okay, guys.
I need it. We have a thing there.
Yeah, see you guys.
I do it. It's door. Turf my tail hurting me.
See you guys. Peace. BenOG Pro. Full weight. BenOG. Yeah, BenOG.
Ow, I'm doing it.
Wait.
Ow,
Hey, guys.
ow. Why you did it so far?
Wait, let me see. Let me see your body. See ya.
Oh god.
Anyways, there's a mark of the tape. Okay, see you guys later. Subscribe to BenMOG. See you guys.